Okay, our last Airbnb we're gonna be for 4 days. It's already open. Emma's in here already. Emma, where you at? Got a little dining room here. Kitchen. I like this Airbnb, it's really nice. Living room. Check this out. Hidden stairway in the corner. Goes all the way down. What do you think, babe?
It's awesome.
It's pretty nice. Well, we're going to get late breakfast / lunch at a bakery. We woke up, we're in Reykjavik again for the next 4 days. So today we're just gonna take it easy and go through the town pretty much.
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're at the tectonic plates where they meet.
Yeah, the plates here are actually the North American and European tectonic plates.
Yep.
They meet together. We're about to walk through them. That's pretty cool. Right side, North America. Left side, Europe. Well, we're in between them.
It's a little chilly down here.
Yeah. European, North American. Right down the middle. So where are we technically?
We slapped this one.
You touched it?
Yep, touched it.
So am I technically standing nowhere?
And then we slapped that one.
Well, there you go.
Touched them.
You touched both tectonic plates within a matter of seconds. I guess I'm technically walking just on Earth. I'm not technically on a tectonic plate, if you want to be technical about it. It's pretty sweet.
Right now, know you always right. Now no one needs you around with me, but nobody been around with me. Been through the ups and the downs with me. Got a whole lot of love, but you don't wanna spread it around with me.
Well, we stopped. There's a bunch of sheep under this truck. There's tons of sheep chilling under this truck.
They gon' love me now, 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 now. Hey. I want you to hold me down, 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 down forever. Hey. Said you know I wanna keep you around.
Well, we had to stop because there were horses.
horses.
Okay, just got back in the car from petting the horses. Now we are heading to the geyser, and we just came from Gullfoss. So, ready?
Yep.
Well, we made it to the geyser. I believe it's over there. There's multiple. I'm not sure which one goes boom every couple minutes, but we're about to find out. Check it out. Just like flowing everywhere. The white from all the minerals. It's pretty cool actually. And now we wait.